Alright, what up guys? I'm back with another video. If you guys have not seen my last video, I showed you guys that I blacked out the H in the middle, the big H. So I didn't get a far away shot. Some people were asking for a far away shot, so don't judge the shirt covering the license plate. That's why I didn't do a far away shot. So here goes far away. If you haven't seen the last video, I'll make sure I have that for you at the end of this video. But I'll get close for you guys too. I showed how I put it on, what sticker it was. So that's how it looked. Once again, of course you still see the chrome, which is cool in a way, but because of the flat surface and not being able to like tuck any of the excess of the H, that's what you got. It came out cool. Let me know what y'all think with the close-up and the far away. Tell me how that look. And if you guys haven't seen the car, I'll show you like that. So with the chrome sticking out a little bit, it kind of goes with the wheels because I didn't black out the emblems or the emblems in the wheels, so they are still chrome. So it don't look too bad, but I definitely got to get this thing all black. It is a must. So hopefully they will make a logo that it covers the entire H, which I think they should, because now with the sticker you don't have to worry about trying to tuck it in or it coming apart and all that. If they could just make it, because of the surface being so flat, I think it will be easier that way. So they could just make the H wider, and that will cover all the excess chrome. Yeah, let me know what y'all think, man. Just a quick video. Once again, I zoom back in so y'all can see that. See that H. I think it look good. It don't look too bad. But yeah, leave it in the comments. Let me know what y'all think, and let me know if y'all gonna try it out. And until next time, I holla.
All I wanted was to be more, Grew up in the city, call it be more, yeah. Skinny nigga, crooked teeth, trying to fit in, but I never had to keep